get caught or they identify. My bitch was the most solid, nothing to solidify. She would never cheat, you never see her with a different guy. Ever tell you different, then it's a lie. See, that's my down bitch, see, that's my soldier. She keep that thing. If anyone goes there, the calm and collected.
For a bug signal, just follow the ring's profile. You'll get photos of the customers in real time.
He love how I ride it. Hop on a dick, I made her get excited. This pussy off limits for lame niggas. Yeah, fuck me like you got some pain in you. Can't go back and forth on a groupie hoe. But these bitches love how you do me though. Had to tell her that dick off limits.
She know she ain't gon' find that nigga that beat that pussy wetter than me. Ooh, better than me.
I guess I was only here to help repair everything. We're gonna have to be a lot more careful now. Shadowmoth knows the identities of some of the people I've given him Miraculous, and apparently he's decided to use this information. Isn't that right, Shadowmoth?